Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the 3 of 10 days of advanced math challenges. So on this one, let's see how you can give a solution to this complex indicial equation. We have to find the value of x in this equation. So I know you are enjoying this journey. This is the 3, and in case you missed the 2, use the video card for the 2. Then by the end of the video, I'll draw the video card with the playlist so they can watch the full series. When you are done with this journey, I bet you are going to master maths like a pro. Let's start. See how we can solve this. So we have to find the value of x in x minus 12 root of cube root of 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 minus 3x minus 3 plus 4 root of 8 raised to the power of x minus 3 equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. So it's very simple. Now I'm just going to move everything here. I'll move everything to the right hand side of the equation. So now I'll have x minus 12 root of cube root of 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 will now be equal to 3x minus 3 plus 4 is just plus 1. Then I'll have 8 raised to the power of x minus 3. So that's it. Now the next thing is for me to convert all these roots, all this square root sign, all this root sign to index, right? Now if you remember vividly, in indices, one of the laws of indices, when I have n root of a, n root of a, my result to be a raised to the power of 1 over n. That's it. When I have n root of a, my result will just be a raised to the power of 1 over n. So I'm going to take the reciprocal of every single thing here. So now for this, I'm going to have 1 all over x minus 12. This now I have 1 all over 3. Then this now I have 1 all over 3x minus 1. That's it. Put some understand. I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1. We now multiply 1 all over 3, which is for this. We also multiply this other one, 1 all over x minus 12. I'll do the same thing for this. Now here I'll have 8 raised to the power of x minus 3. We'll multiply 1 all over 3x plus 1. That's it. So now let me just simplify this. Now I have 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 multiplied by 3 times this 3 into x minus 12. So now 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3. We multiply x minus 3 all over 3x plus 1. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. That's it. So here I have 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 all over 3 times this is 3x. 3 times this is 36. It will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 times this is 3x. Then 3 times this is minus 9 all over 3x plus 1. So now as you can see, the two of them are having the same base. So when the bases are the same, I can just equate the index. When the bases they are the same, when the bases they are the same. Okay, I'm just going to equate the index. So now I'm going to equate index. So now let's equate the index. Now I'm just going to solve this like a normal linear equation. So here is the equation. Now let's solve it. Now I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to cross multiply. Then this will multiply this multiply this. So I'll have 3x minus 1 going to be multiplied by 3x plus 1. Here this time this I'll have 3x minus 9 will multiply 3x minus 36. So now if you observe, this is just difference of two squares. 3x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 is just difference of two squares. So my result will be 9x squared minus 1. Yeah, as a pro, it's not everything I'm going to be showing working. From here, you can just go straight to the point. This is difference of two squares. In case you don't understand, you can go and research. Or maybe I'll make a short about that. This is just normal stuff you already know in mathematics. Difference of two squares. Now this, I'll expand this one normally. So this time this, I'll have 9x squared. This time this, I'll have 108x. This time this, I'll have minus 27x. Then this time this, I'll have 9 times this, I'll have 324. Yes, 324. 324. So now if I simplify, I'll have 9x squared minus 1 will be equal to 9x squared. This minus 108x minus 27 is minus 135x plus 2 minus 3 plus 2, 3 What am I saying, bro? Plus 3, 2, 4. So now if I move 9x square here, you can observe that 9x square will cancel 9x square, like this will cancel this. If I move it here, I'll have 0. So let me just move this one here. I'll have 135x will now be equal to 3, 2, 4 plus 1 when I move this plus 1 here. You understand? So I have 135x will now be equal to 3, 2, 5. From here, I'll divide both sides by 135. This will cancel. Now 5 will go here 27 times. 5 will go here 65. So I'll have 65 over 27. So now x is equal to 65 over 27. So that's the, hope this thing is showing. Okay, it's showing. So this is the answer. X is equal to 65 over 27. That's the answer to this complex question you're seeing here. So if you enjoyed the 3, just stay tuned for the 4. The 4 is going to be more massive, more complex, and more, sorry, it's going to be more harder than this. So as the day is going, it's more, as the day is going, that's how the question will be more tougher. Understand? So if you are enjoying what you are seeing, just click on the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop the videos for each day. So I said I'm going to drop the video playlist. That's the card. So this is the video card for the playlist. You can just click on it, then you follow the playlist from day 1 to day 10. So thank you. I really appreciate for watching this video. Oh yeah, they go.